Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Ice and Fire. I'm very excited. There is some wetness there, so I'm not sure if something leaked or maybe it's snow from outside, but we will find out soon. Enter to win a free sterling ring. Oh, okay, you could just submit your ring reveal or product review. That's cool. Some pictures of their jewelry. It smells really good. Something smells like berries. Okay, cool. So, looks like a little bit of like the fragrance oil, but it's not damaged. Doesn't look like. And this must be what I'm smelling. This is called Bunch O' Berries. Nice candle. I love these jars. They're very unique looking and you could repurpose those very easily. Also have another candle. This is, watermelon. You can see the ring right there, so you know it's about halfway down. That smells really good. I love berries, watermelon, fruity scents. So that is right up my alley. Oh, cool. Also have some soap, and this is the scent Luscious Lavender. Oh, that's cute. It looks like a little diamond. And there's a ring right there. They have all sorts of products on their website. If you have not checked them out, I'll put their link below. There's actually, I think it's a 10% off coupon code built into the link. So if you purchase something, save a little bit of money. But they have all sorts of items. And here is their bath salts. Ooh, that's exciting. Bahama Mama. Bahama Berry plus Melon Fragrance Oil. I can already tell you I'm going to love the scent of that. And it is sealed. Ooh, the ring's right on top. Very tempting to look at that, but I'm going to do individual ring reveals or jewelry reveals for all these products. Oh yeah, that's amazing. Love that. And if you haven't heard of them, they are from Canada. And I've done a few videos on them, so I'll link them below. I have a little playlist. And these are just a sample pack of their tea lights. These I don't believe come with jewelry, but you can get either a pack of 6 or 12, and then you can pick the scents too, which is really neat. And it looks like they gave me a good variety based on the colors here. Ooh, that's pretty fragrant. Love these. And on the back, they actually have the scent. So this is absolutely apple pie. That one smells really good. I could smell the cinnamon in it. That one was sweet pea, watermelon, sensational sherbet. Let's see what the other two are. Tropical passion and orange creamsicle. Orange creamsicle smells really good. Let's check out this pack real quick. First we have Very Vanilla Bean. I love a classic vanilla. Also have Chocolate and Cranberry. Ooh, that smells really good. Makes me hungry. Lilac and Lilies. I love lilac. Bunch O' Berries, so that's the same scent that I have in the candle. And there's two more. We have Perfect Pumpkin Pie and Luscious Lavender. Very cool. I love that they are listed at the bottom, especially if you're ordering a variety pack, you may forget what you order. So that's really cool. If you guys want to see the jewelry that comes with these products, I have 4 different jewelry reveals to do. I will have those posted shortly. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.